You a go dead but you feel jerk. Blood up on your t-shirt. Man brother to leave it. Shot in the matic so me squeeze first.
Behave your bumbo clot self, youth. I want you. Sure. Behave yourself. Who give this boy authority if you give man 3 different flow in one blood clot sample? Eh? Who give you authority, TJ? Alright, gang, listen. TJ dropped a video and a song by the name of Pain. Alright? Now, TJ have always been one of the most melodic dancehall artists, in my opinion. And we're going to listen to this song, we're going to review it. If you don't like and subscribe as yet, what you waiting on, man? Just like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that difficult, you get me? Think about our water, innit? So, yo, if my daughter ever find out, say me take her Lucky Charms. What me I could do? But, like, comment, subscribe, yo. Let's hop in the video. I'm excited, hope you are too. So let's go.
Yeah, hear me no put more. Boy say them bad and then girlfriend tell me them don't sure. Yeah, rise up and 4-4.
Now listen. A lot of people probably disagree with me, but I think TJ is in a class by himself. I don't think he have to compete with people. You know what I mean? That's why I give him one of the most. He's a lyrical artist as well. And very melodic as well. So make we give him the benefit of the doubt and make we hope that a song or something way, you know?
Me dog them a kill a long time and not just since we grow up. Them a rest in peace. Right.
Now me say it. No, the song is only 21 seconds. Only 21 seconds. And I said this before. Your intro have a lot to do with how long you keep the audience attracted to your song or to your video. Remember that, please, please, please. Alright.
Live it just in peace. Should do this a man from the West Indies. Yeah, the 6 feet, pretty casket where you get with breed.
Hold up! Come back! Play it over!
Boy say them bad and then girlfriend tell me them don't sure. Yeah, rise up and 4.
Oh, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Directed by Shane Creative.
Me dog them a kill a long time and not just since we grow up. Them a rest in peace. Rifle turn on and he take it peace. Live it just in peace. Should do this a man from the West Indies. Yeah, the 6 feet.
Bombo pull it up. Youth, man a killing us slowly, youth. Man a killing us with style and melody. It's a bad man song this, brother. Man feel like I know, brother, it's a bad man song this, brother. And the man a killing us with blood clot flow and melody, brother. Don't play with this man, brother. Alright. I'm telling you something. I don't care which artist I be. I don't know. Is my favorite artist of all time. And if him sing fuckery, me I come tell him say him sing fuckery. Trust and believe me. Trust and believe. If I don't drop a song and it sound like fuckery to me, I gonna tell him say yo a fuckery. Me not gonna be no bias. Me not gonna bias the thing, brother. Me not gonna be biased and tell him say the song art or the song not art. No, brother. Shame on me, shame on you, shame on I don't know for dropping fuckery. Cause me I gotta tell him say a fuckery. So any artist, if you hear me sing something, if you sing something, I'm gonna come and say a fuckery. Yes, my opinion don't matter to you. And again, it is my opinion. That's why it stands for me, because it is my opinion. Alright? My opinion don't really get to Funo and personal opinion. You see me? But if you drop fuckery, I'm gonna tell you now. Here we go.
Yeah, hear me no put more. Boy say them bad and then girlfriend tell me them don't sure. Yeah, rise up.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Alright? So don't forget. Quada, Boss Prosh. Yo, hold on. Hold on. I'm out there. Watch up on the ground, get that to you know. My one kind of old still, but you know, me and Quada have the same hat. Big up yourself, Quada. You're a bad artist too. You need to start drop music, you. You see me? You're a bad artist. You have a bad voice, bad flow. You need to start drop music.
My 4-4. Me dog them a kill a long time and not just since we grow up. Them a go rest in peace. Rifle to none and he take it peace. Live it just in peace. Should do this a man from the West Indies.
Boo, 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 boo.
6 feet, pretty casket where you get with breeze. So don't mess with we, don't mess with we. Pain, tell about.
What did I say a while ago? I don't know that our cartel me say a while ago. Hold on, what did I say a while ago?
Tell about pain, about pain.
Hold on, what did I say? Oh, I don't know, and cartel.
Tell about pain. Worry that travel in a year like plane. We chop up and edit boy body like Shane. One in your face, put a dopey to me name. Yo, Spain, and no ring game.
I'm telling you this, brother. Telling you this. And them type of music I want. We want music when time the song start off, we already a catch a vibe. Even if we don't know the song, we are catch a vibe because you know we are vibe with the song. See me? It's so the dog just sit down on the rhythm, wifey sit down on the rhythm. But it's so the dog just a flow, brother. And them thing that we need in the music, brother. We don't want them like a raga fuck with them when we hear people are sing nowadays, brother. This is dancehall. This is dancehall. This is music. TJ is artist.
Pussy jack tough, put one in him brain for me rifle no shame. Walk with the panny me and show you say me a kill a long time and no fame. Pussy, dead like that, then you dance spread out so.
And you know everything we are going to do, dog. But even I go like, I know the two man them probably don't talk now and them have them beef, but genuinely, I feel like TJ and fucking Valiant will do very good upon a song. Like me just feel like them will do very good. Melodic artists, both artists have a very melodic voice, and I think them will do very well. We need to cut the fuckery. I mean, yo, if me no want to see no artist perform no song, me want I don't and Bumbuckler Cartel just perform. What make them vex? True me say. Addy and me daddy, me proud cause a bad man and my dad. For that I glad. Rise up my mark from my mark, them die bad. Yo, youth! You ever get back in that song, dog? Bumbuckler.
Your friend them run, call if you them sell out you. Hey, be a rifle where we buy. And if a pussy will feel like say them fi try. We make a boy my rough like God up in the sky. Way up in the sky, way up in the sky. Any boy touch the road a danger. 6 pants got the own a tailor. And a disaster like my
Bumbuckler. Any boy touch the road a danger.
Here me we deal with the yard like me own the place. So tell a boy if you run on me brave now.
Me we deal with the yard like me own the place, yeah. That be sure say the man go when the man reach the yard, when the man go deal with it, grimy, when I go feel like saying own it. I mean not talk about him a go talk and give no commands. The man go there with
Clock with banana strainer. I tell her we not got corner ways. So no rifle badness, we not no behavior. 6 pants boom out the head. You want your friends can't do road again. Remember some
6 pants boom out the head. You and your friends can't do road again.
murder rock motor pen. We shot out a guy as I look out at them. Swear same right but a 2 out of 10. A couple rifle me rise to out of 10. A 2 gun man in I pull over them. Pull up at the stoplight and pull over them.
Ooh! Come again.
Pussy, dead like that, now you're that spread out.
No, and there's some more here from yes, sir.
Light and pull over them. Pussy, dead like that,
No.
Water 10.
Yes, sir.
Motor pen, we shot out a guy as I look out at them. Swear same right, but a 2 out of 10. A couple rifle me rise to out of 10. A 2 gun man in I pull over them.
Me need to grade this song, yeah, me need to grade this.
Pull up at the stoplight and pull over them. Pussy, dead like that, now you're that spread out so. Your friend them run down left your desk sell out. Hey, be a rifle when we buy. And if a pussy won't feel like send if you drive me.
Me not have to grade this, brother. Yo, hold on. Wait till the song done.
Why am I rock? Fly gone up in the sky, way up in the sky, way up in the sky, way up in the sky. You a go dead but you feel jerk, blood up on your t-shirt. My brother to leave earth. Shot in the dematic, I'm squeeze first. Like
Behave your bumbo clot self, youth. I want you. Sure. Behave yourself. Who give this boy authority if you give man 3 different flow in a one blood clot song? Eh? Who give you authority, TJ? If you drop 3 different flow in a one fucking song? Eh? May I call the manager?
can you see rapid the 17 verse? Tell us the brother them a real curse. Cause we bad from we mother did a give birth. Rifle turn on so the G work. We no chat like Steve Earth. Them a go rest in peace. Rifle turn on and he take it me.
Youth! Brother, there's nothing I love when me hear good music, brother. Music we put together. Yo, I'm telling you something. I telling you something. And Cartel said this what they up on the fix. The fix big up on yourself because Wanado is magnificent. The interview was magnificent. Brother, I feel like me in the conversation. I feel like I sit down there and I talk to Cartel too. That's how entertaining the interview was. But however, Cartel mentioned something. I think it was the female. I remember the name. I remember Javi. See, I remember the name. But anyway, the female that was there, that was closest to Cartel, I think she asked it. How Cartel feel about putting out so many songs like over the years if him never afraid so the song them are go overpower each other, right? But let me break something down. And every artist can come out and put out song rapidly. And it worked. It worked for it worked for Cartel and it worked for Chronicler. Big up yourself, Chronicler, one of the baddest artists right now. And for years to come. Chronicler put out song often. Brother, sometimes Chronicler put out some song in there, brother. I can't keep up in that. I say, yo, brother, you put out too much now. You see me? Not in a bad way, but sorry. Let me explain it. TJ used to put out song very often. I don't realize that when TJ kind of draw back, saggle up in him seat, book, pen, right. You realize how TJ song them a come out and to come out now and it a hit it a connect. Not saying the song them never had connect before, you know. But however, them song you connect 100% more. Because guess what? When you take time and master your craft, it is a magnificent thing. You're welcome. So if you're the artist and the new artist them wanna stop trying to force on yourself and put out music every day, every week. No, take on the time. Focus on the blueprint from like Carter come out of jail. You Carter drop a bag of song? No. Him drop 1 and 2 songs here and there and them hit. But take a leaf out of them artists your book. Alkaline, Masicka, Governor, Idonia, TJ, Tamily. You realize what the man them I take them time and I put out them music because them understand the game now. Them understand say quality better than quantity. Quality over quantity. Always remember that.
If you're just in peace, should do this a man from the West Indies. My head 6 feet, rifle turn on and he take it deep. So don't mess with we, don't mess with we. You see, they like that,
Is that Carter?
your friend them run gone if you're dancing.
Zimmy Records, big up yourself. Anything Zimmy Records touch, golden.
Hey.
Shane Creative. What a beautiful video. TJ, song, bad. When I say the song bad, the song bad. I agree with the argument too much flow in a one song. See if somebody flow them for your next song. But anyway, song bad. 10 out of 10. I cannot deny. 10 out of 10. The song bad. It song tough. It song wicked. Not even got brother, the song calm and tough. Man not even bad up himself, dog. Let him rest in peace. Another man from the West Indies. Calm and tough. Calm and collective. I'm gonna say calm and collect. That is it. Like, comment, subscribe. We don't have to say nothing more. Flow, melody, lyrics. Everything was just 10 out of 10. The video, 10 out of 10. It was a calm video that matched the song. I said this before. We're not shooting the music video, them make the song them match the video. See me? I can't sing about woman and show gun and car. We don't want to see that. We want to see woman. If we not sing about woman, keep it with the vicinity of women. Can I see some man sing about girl and be a man in a song? Why not put man in a song for? We don't want to see the bridge in them. No, brother. But like again, like, comment, subscribe. Soon the next one.